Now here we're dividing multiples of 10, so numbers that end in a 0, and we're dividing them by 10. And there's a nice trick for this. So 320 divided by 10 is 32. And that works because we can cancel the end zeros in our division, and then we just have 32 divided by 1. Well, any number divided by 1 is just that number, so our answer is 32. So 320 divided by 10 gives the same answer as 32 divided by 1. And we can do the same for 4050 divided by 10. If we cancel the end zeros, we have 405 divided by 1, so that's 405. We've just cancelled the end zeros to get our answer. And it's the same for 555,500 divided by 10. We cancel the end zeros, and then we have 55,550. So cancelling the zeros when you're dividing by 10 is a nice, easy trick that can give you the answer straight away.